Remember when we said we like weird cars? So this is another weird car that I have not seen in a long time. It is actually a 1998 Elantra 1.6 and it is in pretty good and immaculate condition. The paint is very nice and the best part is this. Check this out. This is very 90s accurate and early 2000s. Airbrushed hood and it is the Incredible Hulk. Very nice. It is actually a dark metallic green in color and it is very nice, very shiny, very well cut. I like this. If I see this on the road, gets my 2 thumbs up and respect and all that. So what we're going to be doing is going to be installing twin MagnaFlow mufflers here to complement the rest of the exhaust. And then we'll be installing Unichip also because, hey, in fact, this immaculate car with the looks to match and the Hulk per se, you gotta have some power behind it, cannot be completely stock. So that's what we'll be doing. And Unichip is the only thing that can tune this car. There is no remap because back in 1999, 2000, remap as a word is not even a word yet. Reflash is not a word either. It's not in the dictionary. So Unichip is the only option to be able to tune cars of this vintage. That is actually a very nice sound. It's nice and deep and quiet at idle, but it has that bark and rasp once you floor it and you rev it. Very nice. Okay, ito yung explanation dyan. Itong red, ito yung stock weld baseline. Kung anong, with your header, with your exhaust, muffler, intake, lahat. So this is it. 97.5 horse. Pero, yung 97.5, nasa 6.5 RPM lang yan. Hindi yung pagkaunang tapak mo, 97 horse na kagad. Hindi ganun yun. You actually start here very low at 14.4 horses. And this is todo tapak na to and this is at 1,800 RPM. As in, pagka menor pa lang, pag inapakan mo, ito lang yun, maximum mo. Then it goes up and up and up until you reach red line at 6,500. This blue line is after tuning. So for the same 1,800 RPM, from 14, naging 33. So times 2. Times 2 kaagad. So on and so forth. So at 2.5 from 20, it became 45. O, times 2 na naman. At 3.5, from 35, naging 65. O, times 2 ulit. So all the way up to here. Kasi pag hindi marunong tumingin dyno siya, at titignan lang nila ito eh. So 97.5 to 104. So mag-ibig sila. That's what? 7 horses? O, yun lang gining ko? 7 horse? hindi yun. 7 horse lang siya dito. But everywhere else, this is, yun. 15, 20, 30 horse from the start. If you want to talk about the entire gain, you have to mathematically take the average of every RPM, every horsepower. Doon mo makukuha lahat.
X and Y.
Yes, you have the X and Y each and every point. So ideally, you want it at 1.8, 1.850, 1.860, 1.870 until you average it all out. Then this is your torque naman. So from 65 Newton meters, it became 125. Doble, basta at this part up to about 4,000 RPM, doble lahat.
Doble lahat.
Yung gain, both in horsepower and in torque. So your the numbers here, these are maximum eh. So your maximum torque before is at 123, but it only happens at 55 RPM. Wala nang iba. Ngayon, your maximum torque is 140 at 25 RPM. So mababa pa lang, malakas na yung torque agad. So in short, malakas yung sibad. Yun, yung explanation dyan.
Yung sa exhaust na 2.5,
Masyado malaki yung exhaust mo, kaya medyo laglag to. If the exhaust is correct, this baseline should be about ganyan. Dapat may line to, wala tong laglag na to.
may improve pa natin.
Pero hindi na, since we already tuned it with Unichip, it's correct already. You don't need to change the exhaust anymore.
Okay.
Tapos titipid yan, mga 8 to 10% on normal driving.
Okay. I-monitor ko yan.
Sige. Lakas din 30. So if this one, visually, I can say that you get about 15 to 20 horses on average. Taking to total this entire thing.
Hindi rin naman laging nasa 6.5.
No, exactly. How often are you at 6.5? Parang escape kanina.
Pero maglalaro sa 4,000.
4,000. Pero yun nga, ang maganda din yung torque mo nga, hindi mo na kailangan umabot ng 5,000 to get the maximum torque that you have. It's there, available, right here.
Naglalaro ka na ng
Yes, correct.
Excuse mo na.
Yun.